What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be taking a look at the Spigen ArcHybrid Mag Wireless Portable Charger. So basically, you have a magnetic charging power bank, which includes fast wireless charging. Now, I picked this up off of Amazon for $33 at the time of this recording. Now, let's go ahead and see what this wireless portable charger is all about. Let's do this!
Gadgets.
Quick box tour to see what we're in store for. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You see the battery on the iPhone in this picture here. One tap technology and magnetic charging. Some of the features of this charger is Air Boost, intelligent safety, overheat protection, USB-C port, and 24-month hassle-free warranty. But guess what? They also include the USB-C to USB-C cable inside of the box. I've got the user manual as well as this thank you card, and on the back of this, if you have any issues or problems, go ahead and contact them there. Nice touch with the cable management. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable, so they did include that. And this is just to give you an idea of the length. The charger is fairly light, and this side is smooth to help protect from scratching your iPhone when you're using it. This side has Spigen branding, and it's textured, if you can see that. Towards the bottom, you have the one-tap button along with 4 LED lights to let you know the status of the battery. They have labeled this Quantum Boost above the Type-C port. The wireless charging output is up to 7.5 watts. I will now attach the charger to the iPhone, and this way we can kind of test out the strength of the magnet. As you see, I'm going to go ahead and shake it. I don't see that the charger is even moving. It didn't budge. I can hold the charger and it's still attached strongly to the iPhone. So this is a pretty strong magnet that they have on here. There's only one correct position to attach this, and that is the Spigen branding at the top. And that is the correct way to attach this. Tapping the button shows me that we are going to have to charge this, but it's down to like probably 25%, and it is charging the phone, but I'm going to go ahead and charge this up for a while and get back to you when we are fully charged. Once it's plugged in, you'll notice that the LED is flashing. This lets you know that it is charging. One cool feature is that you can charge the charger and charge your device at the same time. Something to keep in mind is that this charger will not charge your phone from 0 to 100. You'll get about 70 to 80% charged. The charger is now at 100% fully charged. You see all 4 LEDs are lit. This charger will allow you to charge your iPhone as well as another device at the same time. Press and hold to turn the charger off. Placing the charger onto the device without turning it on will not automatically start wireless charging. Use one tap to turn the charger on, and what I'm doing here is just letting it time out for a second. Give it a second. Now you see that it will automatically start charging because I've recently had it on. This portable charger works with the iPhone 12 series as well as the 13. What I would say is, from my experience with the 13 Pro Max, that battery lasts for days. This, again, will not charge your device completely to 100, but it's good if you're in a situation where you don't have a charger and you need to have some battery restored. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.